Hello, I'm Heath Gascoigne, CEO and founder of HOBA Tech, and I'm excited to introduce you to our Delivering HOBA 1.0 4-day workshop. Are you ready to take your career in business transformation to the next level? Whether you're a consultant, associate consultant, senior consultant, or senior associate, this intensive program is tailored to empower you with the expertise and skills needed to excel in the field of business transformation. Over 4 immersive days, we cover a range of essential topics, from the fundamentals of business transformation to advanced concepts like agile transformation and digital transformation. You'll gain a deep understanding of our HOBA framework and practical insights to apply in real-world scenarios. By the end of this program, you'll enhance your business transformation skills, lead projects with confidence, deliver high-quality work, and explore advanced topics in the field. We understand that experience matters. That's why we require participants to have completed our 2-day Implementing HOBA 1.0 course on Agile Business Transformation using the HOBA framework and to bring their relevant experience to the table. You'll complete 2 pre-workshop activities, a scorecard assessment and a survey, so we can see your current level of knowledge and experience, so we can identify areas of greatest interest or areas for improvement. And the benefits? Well, they're substantial. On passing the Implementing HOBA 1.0 test at the end, you'll receive the HOBA Business Transformation Foundation, or Practitioner, if you choose to take the higher-level additional test, certificate and digital badge, certification membership for a year, and access to the HOBA community with additional resources, templates, blueprints, and forum to continue your learning and network with fellow business transformators. But this program is more than just training. It's a transformative experience, an opportunity to connect with industry experts, and a chance to tackle real-world challenges with your peers. Each day is carefully designed to build on your knowledge, from fundamentals and hands-on analysis to effective client engagement and exploring advanced topics. So, whether you're aspiring to be a senior consultant or aiming to enhance your consulting expertise, Delivering HOBA 1.0 is your pathway to excellence in business transformation. Elevate your career in business transformation and embark on a transformative journey with us. Your future in transformation excellence begins here. Join Delivering HOBA 1.0 and unlock your potential today.